talking again. Great Yarmouth photos and webcams. I'm still on my phone, but just have a little bit of a walk up past the amusements. The old photo what I put on a couple of days ago, it was the Magic City with the donut store outside, and the sort of the cafe that's what's there now. You see, it's Nicky's Cafe and Diner and Terry's Fish and Chips now, next to the Magic City. Fish and chip shop there as well, that's been there some years, and close to that chip shop just there next to the Magic City to the left. Harry's ice cream there has been relocated. It used to be sort of in the front of the Marina Centre, the old Marina Centre. Now just there where it says amusements, that is the new bingo, the new prize bingo on the seafront. That's only just opened up recently. So if you like the bingo, that's the place to be. That building just there, which that used to be the Tiffany's nightclub in the pictures, the old pictures I've been putting on. The bottom floor was the indoor market as well. Then it was Atlantis. I'm not sure what's happening with it at the moment. Silver Slip pub nightclub. Not sure if it's been it's actually open yet, but looks like it is. That used to be, in the old photos I've been putting on, that used to be like the Terror Castle. And loads of other things it's been over the years. Here we go. Right, thanks for watching. That's it for this one. More to come.